Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we are going to see what one should do if you are hired as a software tester, but you are being doing a technical support kind of a work, right? So you got an offer letter of a software tester, right? Or a QA engineer. Your roles and responsibilities should be of software testing, but those are of tech support. Now you have been moved to the tech support kind of role. So in this video, we are going to discuss that. And yes, if you are watching this video for the first time, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. So let us look at the agenda for today. So I have received this email yesterday from one of my subscriber. So I cannot disclose the name, right? So you can see I am from Bangalore. I like your videos on YouTube, which making me to motivate every day. Please make an video. Such incident happened not only to me, it may happen for so many students like me. He did software testing course from some XYZ organization. It's a nice training institute he has written, and he got hired to a product-based company. He is aware about Selenium, Java Basics, manual testing, SQL. He joined that particular company as a software test engineer trainee, right? So manager told him that we are working on manual testing projects in upcoming days. We will update our product to automation, but till now they're working on manual testing only and they are following waterfall model. Company provided 15 days of product training to him. It's a banking domain, it's a finance domain, right? He didn't had knowledge. So but still they assigned him to the projects. Now, at the time of testing, it is taking a lot of time because lack of product knowledge. So our manager sorry, told me that you need to know more about our product. So go and work in support. You will get to know about our product. It's an easy task to test our product. I will take you back to our team after 5 months or else we'll kick out of company. Due to financial problems, I said, okay, until now, our manager not taking me back to the testing team. I asked manager about my career. He just laugh and go, sir, here 2 years of bond is there. And he's actually from non-IT background. Now, if he leaves present company, he needs to pay 4 months of salary. How do we need to overcome? Okay. So this is not at all a good situation, right? Based on this scenario, if you are facing this kind of, situations in your company, I would recommend to you the three solutions, right? The very first solution is you can go to the manager and speak to him, upfront. You can speak to him one-on-one that this is not this is not my role and responsibilities. This is not the task that I'm supposed to do. Okay. So this is the first aspect. And you need to be polite over there. Again, you don't need to be harsh with them because after all, once you get relieved from that company, you will be getting experience letter and proper relieving letter. If your behavior is not good, then they might, take advantage of this situation. So be polite, but be upfront, right? Have a one-on-one call with them, schedule a meeting with them, and ask them and tell them in the bullet points, like in past 3 months, in past 6 months, these all things I have completed from my side. I have updated my knowledge with respect to product. Now I know this much behavior. Now I am aware about this much functionality. If you want, you can take a short interview with me. This is how you can go and approach your manager. This is the first solution, right? Now, if this solution does not work, the second parallel solution you can work on is there are other team members, there are other managers that would be there in your organization, right? It might would have happened that you might be having a good relationship, good friendship, good networking with the other team member who is working with some other team, with some other hiring manager. You can approach them. So that is team two. You were working in team one, you can approach in team two. There is no harm in that. You can approach. See, sir, I'm looking for a testing related task. I have been working in tech support role. I am looking for a change. Can you please give me an opportunity? So that's again a good thing. Third and the last thing is if option one and option two are not working, then you should silently, try applying for software testing jobs in other companies, right? Because see, what would happen gradually is, if this cycle continues for another 4 months, another 6 months, then automatically your brain would get, addicted to the support kind of role. I'm not telling that some people who are doing or who are taking or who are working in the support are not able to switch to testing. Definitely, they would be able to switch as their analytical skills will get increased, their logical reasoning skills will get enhanced, but that does not mean you need to work for 4 years, 5 years in support role only, right? Your core, your official, your main department, your main roles and responsibilities are of QA, are of software testing. Then again, it can be manual, it can be automation. That is totally fine. It depends on project to project, right? In this scenario, they are telling him that it would get converted to automation, but still they are doing manual testing. That is totally fine. But you should be doing testing, right? In that job, 11 to 8 or 9 to 5, whatever are the working hours, your roles and responsibilities should be testing. If option 1 and 2 are not working, definitely you need to, silently give mock interviews, give interviews in other companies, and try to get into the different company. Because see, you have been trying option 1 and 2 very politely, and that's the best thing that you can do. And at last, still, if it is not getting succeeded, then I know there can be a bond period kind of a thing, right? In that context, what you can do is, the company which hires you, you can tell them that, can they give you some, offer you some extra salary or bonus kind of a thing, or a buyout kind of a thing, right, to this company if you get hired over there. So this is how you can take the conversations, and that's how you can deal with this kind of situations. But yes, don't get demotivated, don't get depressed at all. Whenever you are using that application, you are doing tech support role, but from heart you are a tester. So think how you will test that particular application, right? Test scenarios, right? Test cases, right? And then you can showcase those test scenarios, test cases. You can automate that application, and then you can showcase it to the manager, you can showcase it to the leads. You can tell, see, from Monday to Friday, even though I am doing support role, but I'm going extra mile, and I'm working on Saturday, Sunday. And I tried this kind of an automation, right? This is how you can approach, this is how you should deal with this kind of situations, in this kind of corporate situations where you have been hired as a software tester, but you are being made to work as a for a tech support role. So if you are coming across these situations, if you are coming across scenarios, please drop us an email at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. Your name, your company's name, whatever things are there, those would be kept confidential. But and definitely we would create a video so that you get a proper guidance for your career. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates.